Cloning a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code is a simple process. Let's walk through the steps. Create or select repository. Start by creating a new repository on GitHub or use an existing one. Access repository on GitHub. Open the repository on GitHub. Copy repository URL. Click on the code button and copy the repository URL. Open Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. Install Git if needed. If Git is not installed, install it on your Windows system. Open Command Palette. Press Shift-Control-P on your keyboard to open the command palette. Clone repository. Select the Clone repository option from the command palette. Paste the copied URL when prompted. Select Destination Folder. Choose the folder where you want to clone the repository. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. Clone repository. Confirm the clone operation to proceed. Confirmation. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation that the repository has been successfully cloned. That's it. You've now successfully cloned a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code.